At just 20-something, Maia Cami is already taking the social media world by storm. A Latin beauty with striking black hair and a radiant smile that lights up the room, she's the embodiment of youth, charm, and confidence. With her enviable body goals and energetic personality, it's no surprise that Maia has built a massive following on Instagram, where her life is on full display for her loyal fans. Scrolling through Maia's Instagram feed feels like flipping through the pages of a vibrant lifestyle magazine. Her posts, a blend of fashion-forward outfits, fitness routines, and candid moments, give followers a glimpse into her world. She's the type of person who knows how to balance it all, a social butterfly who makes time for her passions, while never forgetting to share her joy with her fans. Whether she's hanging out at the latest hotspots or hitting the gym to keep her physique in check, Maia always does it with a smile and an infectious positivity. One of the things that sets Maia apart is her authenticity. Her followers feel like they're getting to know the real her. She loves sharing her day-to-day life, from her morning coffee rituals to her hangouts with friends, or just taking her beloved dogs for a walk. Maia's connection with her followers is undeniable. She's always down to earth and approachable, responding to fan comments and sharing pieces of her journey in an open, heartfelt way. Fashion is another of Maia's great loves. Her style is chic yet effortless, whether she's sporting the latest trends or mixing casual wear with high-end pieces. She has a knack for making every outfit look both comfortable and glamorous, inspiring her followers to elevate their own fashion game. But Maia isn't just about appearances. She's a true advocate for life balance. Between her social life, fashion shoots, and intense gym routines, she makes time for things she loves most, like cooking healthy meals and spending quality time with her pets. Behind the glamorous facade of this rising star, Maia remains grounded and passionate about her personal growth. She's all about keeping things balanced, knowing that taking care of her mental and physical well-being is key to her success. This dedication to self-improvement is part of what makes Maia so relatable to her fans, who look up to her not only for inspiration on how to look good, but also on how to live well. In a world where influencers come and go, Maia Cami stands out as a breath of fresh air. Her sunny disposition, dedication to health and fashion, and authentic connection with her followers make her a true social media powerhouse, and she's only just getting started.